In this video, I'll give a little update of what I've encountered over the last 2 weeks. And also in this video, I think we're gonna focus on trying to get the 30 years of grime and haze off of the roof panels. Got to start making the car look halfway decent now that it's on the road again. Okay, quick update. Last night, I tried to replace the axle, the passenger side axle, because I did the other one. I wanted to have a matching, and this thing's spewing grease all over the place. But I couldn't get this nut off. I guess my impact gun is not strong enough and it's kind of rusty. As well as when I measured, the one I got from Rock Auto, it's too long. So I got to send it back. And another quick update, the actual shocks that I had in, that I showed in the last video, one came in, it was a KYB shock strut, and there's not many options on this car unless I feel like paying $3,000 or $2,000 for a set of coilovers, which I don't feel like doing right now. One of them, it was just so soft. Like I pushed it in and it went in so soft and it sprang out real fast. I'm like, huh. And then the second one that I got went in a little harder and never came back out. So the rebound wasn't there at all. So I'm like, okay, what's going on here? So I just shipped everything back. And the last update, the surging idle. Yeah, I tried to do it while I was on the car. I tried to clean it with some seafoam and some carburetor cleaner or throttle body cleaner. It didn't work. Actually, I think it got a little worse. So I think the next job that I'm going to take is the engine. You know, maybe take off the manifold, fix the valve cover leak, fix the idle with the throttle body, and maybe put the suspension on hold for a few weeks. So with that quick repair update, let's get going on the polishing, see if we can get the car to look a little bit better. Man, these are my favorite tires. I know they're old, but I went through so many sets of tires on this car to find the optimal good wear with good stiff sidewalls. What are these? BF Goodrich G-Force TA KDWs. I don't know if they make them anymore. And this is what I'm using. I got a new compound and my old Black & Decker. And here is what we're dealing with. Let's see if the camera can focus in on it. It's again a whole roof. That's just sun faded, scratched, and a mess. Well, first attempt, it's not really coming out too good. And to sum it up, I think it was a big fail. I did half of it and it's cleaner, but it's all blotchy, and I think I need stronger compound if you ask me. I mean, it's a lot better than what it was, but it's not even, and I need to keep working it. And there's the side that I haven't even started yet. So it's better, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Okay, I think I found the trick. I had to buy a little bit more aggressive compound, and I'm using the machine flatter. And it seems to be working. I mean, it's still gonna take a lot of time. Also, let me know if anybody wants to buy the second transmission that I didn't end up using. It came out of a 93 Probe GT. The one that came out of this car, my original one, I'm gonna keep. One day I'll fix it or play around with it. But I have no space to keep this one, so I'll probably try to sell it. So let me know if anybody's interested.